All right, let's see. Today is Saturday, March 20th. I'm going to do a walk around of this 2017 Chevy SS. There is a little, I'm not sure if it's on this side. Yeah, right here. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. There's a little dent where I think somebody got me with a door. Not very noticeable at all. But those can come off. Those are just decals. Where it was repaired, you can see a slight difference. So this is the original fenders, and then it's a new hood and a new front bumper. Very slight, but if you're looking for it, you'll see that. All the lines are good. Do a cold start. Battery sounds a little weak. Haven't been driving it much. Pop the hood here. Oh, duh. Hold up. Okay. See the headers down there? These are the Cook's headers, 1 7/8 inch. You can see them real well. Got the VCM intake. Use a good cleaning, but it's not too bad. It's got a little dust from sitting. And we can go for a ride here. I hope camera works fine. Parking sensors work. When I got the car, the parking sensors did not work. There was a severed wire up in the front bumper that has since been repaired. Good to go. I don't know if you can hear that. Until it warms up, you can hear just a little bit of like a ticking or almost like a knock, but not as loud. Been told it's piston slap. Of course, anybody who wants to buy this, I would be happy to take to a mechanic of your choice. Get it a good look over and make sure you're not missing anything. Let's see. Let me pause the recording and I'll get out to the main road. You don't have to see my whole boring neighborhood. All right, about to leave the neighborhood now. Gap here. Right now I'm in touring mode, so it's the quietest option, so you can hear the motor the most. So right now I'm in full auto. Prefer to drive it in manual mode because I don't like when it downshifts for me. Let's see here. I can do this one-handed. You can see here. Manual fourth, third. into sport mode. And also this is a very smooth ride in touring. In sport, it immediately tightens up. Not sure if you can see that on the video, probably not. But it sounds very different in sport mode. Quick car. A lot of fun. Alright, back to auto, back to comfy mode, touring.